Do you make learning new word a daily habit? Let's see what daily means in the first place. Master Azerbaijani word of today has gündəlik. Gündəlik. Gündəlik is daily, or diary, or journal. Now, daily routine, personal diary, daily expenses. These are the ways you can use word gündəlik. But how? Let's see. Gündəlik rejim. Rejim is also a loan word from Russian. That is for routine. Şəxsi GÜNDəlik, the one that you write, what did you do today? Or your some deep down questions, answers, desires. That's where you write personal diary. It's Şəxsi GÜNDəlik. Gündəlik xərclər, daily expenses. Xərc, expense. Xərclər, expenses. Let's use some of those in sentences. Hər gün gündəlik rejimə əməl edirəm. I follow a daily routine every day. Əməl etmək is a compound word. Əməl is action, doing something, but in this case, I follow, I do it basically. Əməl edirəm, I'm the one doing it, I follow it. Hər gün, every day. Gündəlik rejim, daily routine. Gündəlik rejimə əməl etmək, to follow the daily routine. Since we have here edirəm, at the end signifies I'm the one doing it. So we did not put over there I follow. Mən hər gün. Okay? Let's see another sentence. Sağlamlıq üçün gündəlik vərdişlər vacibdir. This is a good sentence. Let's see why. Daily habits are important for health, especially the ones for health. Sağlamlıq, sağlam is healthy. Sağlamlıq is the health. Üçün, for. Gündəlik vərdişlər, daily habits. Vərdiş is habit, vərdişlər, habits. Now, vacibdir is important or are important. We don't have multiple plural for that. Vacibdir. Vərdişlər, vacibdir. Habits are important. Now, that was my way of using gündəlik, but remember, this word ends with k, where you don't have to say it as k, you can say gündəliyi. Let's use it in some different way also. If it's not in my gündəlik, it clearly doesn't exist. Thanks so much for watching. Check masterazerbaijani.com if you are interested in learning Azerbaijani in a much more fun and efficient way. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new word. Cheers.